Real shredder, multipurpose, suitable for small medium tractors from 25 to 55 horsepower. This machine is suitable for shredding grass, leaves and shoots up to diameter 3-4 cm and to upkeep the green areas. Available with working widths 1m20, 1m40, 1m60, 1m80 and 2 meters. All models are standard equipped with hammer's knife, fixed coupling to operate its position, double skin frame, skids, push rake, and with rear roller to adjust the cutting height.